Hi everyone, welcome to HeadLight. In this video we are going to talk about few text functions. Normally in Excel we will use numeric data, then why should we learn text functions? So sometimes our data can be in text format, maybe in the different representation, not the way we want. So text functions will help you to handle that text data and convert that into the way we want it in our calculations. In this example, I have taken a common problem most of us are facing in day-to-day life. So that is the date column. Right? So date column will be in text format and with some special characters, right? So normally we will use YY format in our calculations or in any Excel sheets. So our data is in different format. It is in dd.mm.yy. So here when you try to add a one day with this date, let's say for example I'm trying to add one day with this date. If I add it, it gives me an error. So that means it's not in a date format. So I need to convert this text date into a proper date format first, then I can do whatever the calculation we want, right? So to do that we can use some of the text functions. The first function we are going to see is left. So left function will accept two parameters. One is your text, the text which you are going to handle. Second parameter is number of character from left side. So once you give these two parameters, left function will return the specified number of characters from left side. So here by seeing this we understand that it is in ddmmyy format. So here first two characters from left side is your date. To extract that you have to type left, select your text, comma, two characters from left side we want, so just type 2 and enter. So you automatically get all your dates in this column. So in this example, last four characters from right side, right? So 4 characters from right side is your year. So you can type write this text, comma 4. So it automatically gives you the year from this particular text. Okay, so now we need to split the month. So here we can use mid function. So mid function accepts 3 parameters. One is your text which you are going to handle. Second one is start character. In your main string, the start position of your required string is the second parameter. So here month is starting from 4th position. Right, so 0 is first position, 1 is second position, and the dot is in third position, and our month starts from 4th position. So that is your second parameter. The third parameter is number of characters from your start position. So here we need 4 and 5, so we have to give 2 characters as our number of characters. So we need 2 characters from our start position. So let's type mid, open bracket, select your text, and our start character is 4. Number of characters we want from start character is 2. So just enter. It extracts your month data. So you can just give a check. So let's say here it is 09. So automatically your month is getting splitted. Okay, so now we have splitted all the month, date and year separately. How to convert this to a meaningful date? We have a date function in Excel, so that accepts 3 parameters, that is your year, month and date. So you have to select one by one. D2 is our year, C2 is our month and B2 is our date. Select all of them and just press enter. So it gives you the data in the required format mm/dd/yyyy. So if you see, this text date has been converted to a date format. So let's say if I want to add one day with this particular date, I can do +1. So it gives me the required date. It is December 7 is the date we have in E8, and F8 I'm getting December 8. We can do all the calculation with this converted date format. In next video, let's meet with an interesting topic. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Bye bye.